let's use this abstraction to represent a half-pipe. A snowboarder needs to traverse the surface from point A to point E on opposite edges of this half-pipe. What is the shortest surface distance, or geodesic, between A and E? Here's what we know. Both AB and CD have a length of 15, respectively. EC has a length 3. The cross-section of this half-pipe is a semicircle with a diameter of 32 over pi. In order to solve this problem, we need to review two properties of a cylinder. First, the cross-section of a cylinder is a circle. Second, if we unwrap the surface of a cylinder along one of its edges perpendicular to the cross-section, we will get a rectangle. If we unwrap the half-pipe in the same fashion, we will also get a rectangle. The length of AD is the length of the semicircle, which equals half pi times 32 divided by pi, which equals 16. As we can see, AE is the hypotenuse of the right triangle AED. So, AE equals the square root of AD squared plus ED squared, which equals 20. And that is the answer. If you enjoyed the content, please like, subscribe, and comment. Now go enjoy life.